Hot Skillets. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recover deleted photos on your iPhone. Feeling spicy tonight? Well, watch my video to feel even cooler. Here's the video for you. So this app I'm showing you guys how to download is not in the App Store, and I'm able to recover 288 deleted photos. These are photos that are not in the recently deleted, they're just straight up gone, and I'm getting them all back. So watch. Look at this madness. Oh my gosh, guys. Wait. It hasn't loaded yet. No, I got all the photos back, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So first step is go to this site. Second step is go to the search bar. And third step is type in and here's the app. And then we press on the download button and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, guys, you will let it download. So let's just give it a second here, as you guys can see. So peace out, but look at this. I got all the photos back. And you'll see this app is not in the App Store, so don't get all cocky and thinking you can just download it on the App Store, because it's not there. But if you're on an iPhone, make sure you go onto Settings, General, Background Refresh, and turn that on. And then also go to Battery and turn off Low Power Mode. If you do these things, then you should be all set, my dudes. So peace out. Feel cool tonight knowing that photos that are long since deleted are back. That's cool, isn't it? Look at this. I got all the photos back, guys. Oh my gosh, how? I don't really know the specifics behind it, but this is an incredible app. It's not allowed in the App Store. So be sure to try it out, and I'll see you guys later. Yo. Are you someone that needs deleted photos recovered? Well, then try this app. And yeah, all you gotta do to download it, guys, is just go to Zoom Mods and you're gonna be good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys. Totally works. So peace out. Oh my gosh, bro. What the hell? Nah, we getting all the photos back in this video. So peace out, my dudes. Oh my gosh.